ki arngut ki mintrang ba na kajala Meghalaya bat Assam kata Konrad ke sangma bat Himanta Biswa Sirma kinlek ban yakendu yo menteri katrat kampo yeng ke sarkar India banekran penbai yo put usam ya kane la pentep do sumbot mintrang ba kajala Meghalaya ba prestun tensong hadian balawai ke jalang hapne ki ar mintrang ba ha kano pasingi ke khadar tare Kuala Lumpur arhajar arpuar hanong ba Guwahati luang bakandan sakwe ke jalang hapne ki ar menteri ban poi se ke jingmenjer halor put usam haswa ba kinlek bat ban yakendu yo Amit Shah.
One more meeting we had, a very detailed, inclusive meeting between both the honorable chief ministers, Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya. And I would like to inform you that more or less we almost completed to reach to the agreement in those areas which ever we already inspected. And now again, both the chief ministers has directed the concerned government to bring out all the detailed report, and thereafter one more meeting will be there between the two chief ministers, and thereafter they will be meeting even the honorable Union Home Minister, and hopefully maybe on the 20th or before 21st maybe they'll come back and then final agreement will be made public to both the state of Assam and Meghalaya. So this is the meeting that we had.